Hello everybody, I am CA Sharda Narayanan. I am also a cost accountant and company secretary. I became a chartered accountant in November 23 after a gap of 14 years. December first week, I went and visited Vaishno Devi Mata Mandir. First time in my life. Mataji se pray kiya. Mataji, I have done my best. Please give me whatever is there in my, for my efforts, whatever is there you give. And I got the results on Jan 9th. And it's passed. ही मेरे रोंगटे खड़े हो रहे. That moment, I saw the word pass. I immediately called up my husband. He was on his way. He was traveling.
So hello everyone. So this is CA Sanidhya Saraf, your friend, mentor and coach. ये जो वीडियो है बहुत ही स्पेशल है. ये जो इंटरव्यू है बहुत ही स्पेशल है. This is all about CA Sharda Narayanan, who helps all the way from Gurgaon. She is not only a chartered accountant, but she is also a cost accountant. She is also a company secretary. And ये जो story है, it is full of inspiration, it is full of motivation and something to be cherished for all the CA aspirants across the country. मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ कि शारदा ने अपना जो CA क्लियर किया है, वो एट द एज ऑफ 50 क्लियर किया है, जो किसी भी मिसाल से कम नहीं है. Something we should all salute about. शारदा ने सबसे पहले अपना कॉस्ट अकाउंटिंग का जर्नी क्लियर किया था 1996 में. एंड शारदा उसके बाद क्या हुआ, 1996 में आपने कॉस्ट अकाउंटिंग की जर्नी क्लियर करी. उसके बाद आज जाकर 2023 में 2023 एंड में जाकर आप चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट बने. तो कुल मिलाकर वहां पे 24 इयर्स का गैप है. अब जो सीए स्टूडेंट होते हैं ना, वो 2 साल का आर्टिकलशिप बीच में आ जाता है, तब भी परेशान हो जाते हैं कि 2 साल का आर्टिकलशिप बीच में आ गया तो वो स्टडीज का गैप हो गया. अब वो 24 इयर्स का गैप आपने कैसे मैनेज किया? What inspired you to be a chartered accountant? आपने अपने सीए की जर्नी कहाँ शुरू करी? इतना ब्रेक किस वजह से आ गया? And finally, how did you manage to clear the degree? तो ये सारी चीज आप स्टूडेंट के साथ शेयर करें. सबसे पहले आपसे एक क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहता हूं मैं, जो हर किसी से हम लोग पूछते हैं, फिर बैकवर्ड जर्नी में जाएंगे. जब एट द एज ऑफ 50 आपने अपनी जर्नी क्लियर करी, जब आपने रिजल्ट देखा, यू हैव फाइनली क्लियर्ड द एग्जामिनेशन, तो आपको कैसा लगा?
First of all, thank you God for bringing me to this particular session here, and I'm so happy to be here with the interview with Mr. Sanidhya Saraf sir. Thank you so much for all your mentoring, and because of him, he's a part of my journey, in my CA journey. A big credit goes to Sanidhya Saraf sir in many of the subjects. Coming to your question, I cleared my November 23 CA final exams. I got my results on 9th of January. I remember the time 10:53 को डिक्लेयर हुआ था. मैंने जाके एंटर किया और then I said नहीं, भगवान का नाम लेके एंटर करते देखते I saw the word pass, and not only pass, the marks were very good, and I had an exemption marks in 73 मिला था. I had got in group 2, I had got 220, and this was now, and group 1 I had cleared way back in 2020, and Audit and law, full 100 क्या 200% credit goes only to Sanidhya Saraf sir. उनके mentoring के बिना तो audit and law is just not possible at all. Every CA student, CA final student I'm talking about, they have a phobia for audit. Audit कैसे clear करें, उसका standards ये. But he made it such a cakewalk for all of us. And I just followed whatever he said. And I used to hear his voice clips, his YouTube's revisions and everything. घर पे मैं I used to switch on his voice clips which he used to share in the Telegram, and I used to put it in the house in the Bluetooth, and I used to hear. My whole family recognizes his voice.
मुझे आज भी वो इंसिडेंट याद है.
आते जाते, हाँ जी.
जी, सॉरी टू इंटरप्ट. आपने जब अभी अपना एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करा फर्स्ट ग्रुप का, तो आज भी मुझे वो इंसिडेंट याद आ गया. दैट वाज सो स्पेशल. मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ कि मैं फर्स्ट टाइम शारदा से कब मिला, कब मुझे इनके बारे में पता चला. ऑल्दो इन्होंने क्लासेस मेरा 2018 एंड तक ले लिया था शायद, बट मेरा इनसे मिलना हुआ, प्रैक्टिकली फेस टू फेस मिलना हुआ 2019 में, एंड दैट वाज रियली हार्ट चेंजिंग मोमेंट. कि मेरा होम टाउन गुवाहाटी में है एंड शी इज फ्रॉम गुड़गांव. अब आप देखो दुनिया कैसे, जब हम कहते हैं दुनिया गोल है, और वो किस तरीके से हमें कनेक्ट करती है. तो मुझे उस दिन पता चला. मैं गुवाहाटी में एक साउथ इंडियन रेस्टोरेंट में जस्ट साउथ इंडियन फूड खाने गया, एंड अचानक से क्या हुआ कि वहां पे एक फैमिली बैठी है, और अचानक से शारदा मेरे पास आती है. यू आर सानिध्या सराफ सर, आई एम रियली वेरी ग्लैड कि आज मेरा आपसे मिलना हुआ है. एंड शी सेज मी कि सर मैं गुड़गांव से आई हूँ. इनके हस्बैंड भी थे, आपके हस्बैंड भी थे.
My children, my husband, we had come for a northeast tour, right? Family trip.
तो फैमिली ट्रिप के लिए आए थे एंड गुवाहाटी में दे स्टॉप फॉर कामाख्या मंदिर दर्शन, हमारे वहाँ बहुत फेमस मंदिर है, तो वो दर्शन के लिए आए थे एंड कोइंसिडेंटली ये भी सेम रेस्टोरेंट में गए, मैं भी सेम रेस्टोरेंट में आया,
आजू बाजू में यहाँ
बैठे एंड हार्ट चेंजिंग मोमेंट ये था कि इन्होंने बताया सर मैंने आपको नहीं देखा, मेरे हस्बैंड ने आपको आइडेंटिफाई किया बाय योर वॉइस। तो वो क्या इंसिडेंट था?
Exactly, we had gone in I think January 19 we had been to with a family trip to northeast and we had gone to Kamakhya temple and Guwahati we had gone there and we were having a dinner in a restaurant. सर भी वहीं पे खा रहे थे, मैंने ध्यान नहीं दी, so many people are sitting and eating। फिर सर का आवाज मुझे सुनाई दिया, जबकि मैं आते जाते in my house I am hearing his voice clips, because of which I have cleared my group 1 only and only because of his voice clips। जो सुन के मेरे कान में गूंजते थे, even when writing the exam I am hearing his standards का जो होता है ये वाला 501 502 जो कुछ भी standards है ना, मेरे को ऐसे कान में गूंज, when I used to write the exam I used to hear his voice literally। तो वो आवाज में I heard it just beside my table in the restaurant and I was like, oh my god, my husband heard first and he told me, I said yes, then I got up and then we had a meet there and that was the first time when he actually met me and I told him I'm your student from August 2018 में first I got connected to him। I came to know about him through YouTube, उनके बहुत अच्छे revision lectures होते थे, तो फिर I subscribe for his classes, regular लिए हैं, 2 बार fast track भी लिया है क्योंकि मेरे attempts हो गए थे, so I never used to refer any old, एक बार हो गया, next attempt a new course I used to take because some or the other amendments keep coming and all those things।
अब यहाँ पे मैं बात करूँ तो 2018 में मैंने इनको कहा था कि चलो आप जल्दी से सीए बन जाइए, हम आपका इंटरव्यू लेंगे एंड फाइनली दैट मोमेंट हैज कम।
He kept up his word। Thank you so much।
अब मैं आपको बता दूं कि 2011 आई थिंक 2011 में अपना इंटर क्लियर कर लिया था।
आपने मेरे को मेरी पहली वाली स्टोरी पूछी थी।
2011 में इन्होंने अपना इंटर क्लियर कर लिया था एंड उसके बाद क्या हुआ शारदा कि 7 इयर्स का गैप हो गया वहां पे, और उसके बाद आप 2018 में आते हो, फिर फर्स्ट ग्रुप आप कैसे क्लियर करते हो, और फिर एक 5 साल का गैप आता है, फिर फाइनली आप 2023 में सीए बनते हो।
बहुत सारा गैप आ गया था,
but never gave up। Just share insight on that।
Yeah, but before this you had asked me something about ICAA and how I shifted to how I started my CA journey, and let me throw a light on that also। I'm a cost accountant of 1996 before my marriage days। I got a job in MNCs, वो ज़माने में हिंदुस्तान लीवर लिमिटेड बोला करते थे, now it's HUL। I got a job there, I was working, then I completed my ICAA December 96, I got a job in Raymond's, I was working, I got married, I was working after that also, then we left Mumbai, I'm basically a Mumbaikar। I left Mumbai, so I had to leave my job, and then we went to various places, my husband's job, he was, every 2 years he was getting transferred to some cities, I used to go, and every 2 years I used to work in wherever I was living, I used to work, even if I couldn't work for full time, I used to work for part time। I never used to sit idle in the house। I had one son that time, and I used to work, and then I used to come back, look after the house and everything, and that was an era of non-digital mode, which was an added advantage, you know। Nowadays it is a different way actually। I was traveling, looking after my house, and that time I was not studying। Then afterwards I had a lot of break because every 2 years I was in a city shifting out. Then I said I will stop working now because my career gets, my CV gets distorted 2 years somewhere। We shifted to Delhi, and then me and my husband, we had a talk, and he told me, शारदा आपका बचपन का ड्रीम था CA बनने का, तो please let's decide on that for you। I said that is awesome and wonderful, and he was the one who gave me an inspiration, you start doing your CA, my husband Mr. Narayanan। Okay, and then I started 2009 I started my CA journey। I gave my CPT in 2009। That time also it was like you have to give a CPT। आजकल if you are a graduate you can directly enter करके है ना sir। But that time I gave my CPT, I got very good marks, 133 out of 200 means after a gap of कितना 10 साल I got 133। That was a big boost। Then November 2010 I cleared my IPCC Group 1 first attempt। May 11 I completed my Group 2 first attempt, and Group 1 also I got 238, quite good marks, like I had a family, and I have a second son in 2005 he was born। So when I started off my CA journey I had 2 children। When we were in transfers I had only one son that time। So then afterwards what happened was 2011 we went back to Mumbai। I'm basically a Mumbaikar as I told you, और वहाँ पे मैं गई, मैंने आर्टिकलशिप ख़त्म किया है. आई यूज्ड टू ट्रैवल. I had very supportive family, my in-laws, my parents. A big credit goes to them. God is very thankful to give me such a wonderful family, and I had looked after my family, my children. I had completed my articleship, and then I tried to give my CA final. But then what happened was my elder son was coming in the age of 10th and 12th boards. Then I said I'll have to do only one thing at a time. You cannot be jack of all master of none बोलते हैं ना, मतलब that sort of situation. अभी मेरे बच्चों, मैंने किया है, मैंने आर्टिकलशिप हो गया, अभी मैंने मेरा पढ़ाई साइड में रखा. I mentored my son. He gave his 10th, he gave his 12th, and my elder son is Dr. Pawan Kumar. He's an international medical doctor right now. He's going abroad. And छोटा वाला तो he was in 6th standard. Then उसको MBBS में enroll कराया मैंने. I spent my, it's not so easy. You have to do so many, you have to mentor the child, you have to make उसका entrance exam सब बहुत सारा होता है. So I cannot do my CA with that. You have to give justice only to one thing. And children are a priority. When you come to that age, that children are a priority. And then he enrolled into MBBS. We shifted out of Mumbai, we came to Gurugram. And then I said, let me try and re-continue my studies. But unfortunately what happened, Jan 2017, I had a mild knee surgery. Then again I was under bed rest. But then I said, koi baat nahi, I will continue. That time I was 43. And then I tried to continue, but I said, no, this long break it's a big challenge. I took one full year break, and May 18, I gave my first attempt of CA final group 1. That time also I did not know about sir because I was not so social media savvy, पढ़ाई करती थी. It was a typical the traditional way. Take out your books, remove your SM, start studying. वो जमाने में PM था. PM निकालो, पढ़ाई करो. फिर बाद में I started seeing YouTubes and all, and audit and law was a big challenge for me. मैंने सर का videos देखे. I said now immediately, but I couldn't clear my May 18 also because that was my first attempt after a big gap. I knew I will not be able to clear, but I said no, I'll not give up. This is it. I know these are the challenges, and I am at the bottom of a big rock mountain. Just group 1 की beginning में थी मैं. I have 8 papers ahead for me to go. I said no, I will keep going ahead. I enrolled into audit and law classes with sir. मैंने November 18 एग्जाम दिया, एग्रीगेट में रह गया था. May 19 दिया, एग्रीगेट में रह गया. November 19 दिया, एग्रीगेट. But I never failed in audit and law. Let me tell you, SFM was little tough for me because वहाँ के जो subjects है मेरे को थोड़ा सा टफ लग रहा था. That was a big challenge. मेरा एग्रीगेट में रह जाता था. 188, 189, 190 ऐसे. Then November 19 also it stopped in aggregate only. I didn't give up. Let me tell you one incident. In May 18, my very first attempt, sir, इतने साल के बाद मैं पेपर देने गई थी. I really actually that time I broke down. I said नहीं, मेरे को बहुत डर लग रहा है. Like any other CA student, age doesn't matter, exam देते वक्त वो डर आ जाती है. My husband was busy, he was traveling. I immediately called my elder son who was pursuing MBBS. I told him, बेटा ऐसा लग रहा है. He gave me the motivation. मैंने जो cultures, values उसमें imbibe किए. My elder son, Dr. Pawan Kumar, now he is doctor. That time he was studying and he told me, Mama, go and give the paper. Go and give the exam. कुछ भी हो. मैं जाके I went and gave the exam. I know I will not clear it, but I went and gave. You should never give up. वहीं पे रुक जाती तो मेरा ये सफर वहीं पे रुक जाता था. My son, he gave me a big motivation that time. That is a very important thing, to be mentioned in the interview also. Then coming back to this, November 19 classes लिए हर attempt में मैंने सर का classes subscribe किया था. एक बार regular लिया, उसके बाद fast track, क्योंकि हर बार तो regular नहीं लेते हैं because you get to know everything in detail. उसके बाद fast track for all revisions. Then सर के video clips आ रहे थे बहुत सारे in telegrams. आते जाते सुन रही थी. November 19 clear नहीं हो पाई. I got 188, रुक गया था. फिर 2020 was COVID times. The exams got postponed. November 20 I gave my exams and I got pass result for this, and a big thank you to
thank you so much.
Thank you for mentoring me for group 1 in November 20. Also I would like to tell you I cleared my group 1 because of exceptional mark in SFM. I got 88% sir in SFM. That was the biggest achievement for me because मैं SFM की वजह से रह रही थी in aggregate. And then वो हो गया था, मतलब that is done. Now I proceeded to group 2. I started my group 2. I enrolled into 6D economic laws because मेरे को सुना था कि ये open book है. मैंने कहा क्यों regular, मैंने fast track में enroll कर लिया. I brought some books. Then afterwards I shifted to new syllabus. I'm talking about the new syllabus. So then the new syllabus में it takes some time because I had shifted from costing to SCMP.
New syllabus में आपको 6D मिला था?
हाँ, new syllabus में 6D मिला था. 2021 I enrolled. I shifted from old to new. And then what happened was I couldn't immediately because SCMP is, you know, everybody must be knowing about it. It's the biggest SCMP कितना भी because I was very good in costing, but that was I didn't want to risk myself giving the last attempt in December 21. ऐसे shift ही हो जाती हूँ, कितनी attempts दूँ, मैं नया इसमें कर देती हूँ. And I tried giving in December 21. Again, I had a knee issue. I couldn't give my exams. May 22, I enrolled properly for 6D with Sanidhya Saraf sir. And then, but May 22, I got COVID, 4th wave India में जो आया था. I tried, then also I tried giving just 2 papers कि चलो exemption मिल जाए. नहीं, वो exemption से पहले थोड़ा कम marks रह गए, मतलब 60 तो मिला नहीं, रह गया. Then I took it up, चलो अभी नवंबर में I have to complete it. November 22, I got 195 and I got exemption in 60 because of Sanidhya Saraf sir. Again, thank you so much. आपका जो lectures है, आपको जो mentoring है, it is really worth it, really worth it. I mean, students should just clear it. सुनो, पढ़ो, clear करो और कुछ there is no other way out at all.
क्योंकि मेहनत आपकी है, hard work आपका है, dedication आपकी है.
बिल्कुल सर, बट मेहनत करने के लिए जो राह आप देते हो ना, दैट यू आर गिवन अ वेरी वंडरफुल डायरेक्शन पाथवे मेंटरिंग. एंड देन नवंबर 22 आई गॉट 195, एग्रीगेट में रुक गया. May 23 आई सेड डोंट गिव अप. पीपल वेर यू नो वंडरिंग कि इतना मार्क्स में रुक जाते हो. नहीं, आई सेड कंटिन्यू. अगेन आई स्टार्टेड स्टडीइंग. May 23 आई गॉट 199. मेनी पीपल वर अपसेट and I got my results. I remember I was in a solo trip in South में, कोई reason के लिए वहाँ गई थी. मेरे को टेम्पल में जाके मेरे को रिजल्ट पता चला. मैंने भगवान से I prayed to God. I said, God, give me the strength to clear it the next time. I didn't break down or do anything because I got this 199. ठीक है, this is what is destined for me. Never break down, never give up. Just keep going is what is my mantra in life. मैं मंदिर में थी जब भी मुझे ये पता चला. I prayed to God कि मुझे अगली बार हेल्प करो कि क्लियर तो हो जाएगा. यू हैव टू हैव द पेशेंस एंड परसिवरेंस टू स्टडी. ऑटोमेटिकली यू विल गेट इट. ऑब्वियसली यू नीड लक ऑल्सो एंड गुड प्रोफेसर्स लाइक यू ऑल्सो. एंड देन May 23 मेरा SCMP और DT में 40 से रह गया. सो आई कुडंट क्लियर. सो 199 में ग्रेस भी नहीं मिला मुझे. 199 में नहीं तो ग्रेस मिल जाता है. आई डिडंट गेट बिकॉज आई हैड गॉट लेस. आई वेंट ऑन स्टडिंग. आई गेव माई बेस्ट. Meanwhile, in the month of August 23, my younger one had become 18 and he is enrolled into BTech in a very prestigious institute, Manipal Institute में. तो उसका admission सब करा के उसको वहाँ settle करा के I came back to Gurugram and then I said चलो अभी मेरा time है. मैं दिन रात एक किया. I used to study for minimum 10 hours from August end, September, October, November 10th I think was the exam. I gave my group 2. November 16th, I said, ठीक है, that's done. I kept quiet. December first week, I went and visited Vaishno Devi Mata Mandir. First time in my life. Mata ji से pray किया. Mata ji, I have done my best. Please give me whatever is there in my, for my efforts, whatever is there you give. And I got the results on Jan 9th. And it's passed. ही मेरे रोंगटे खड़े हो रहे. That moment, I saw the word pass. I immediately called up my husband. He was on his way. He was traveling. ऑफिस जाते हैं सुबह तो 10:30 बजे तो he will be traveling only. तो मैंने कॉल किया. He broke down. I spoke to my parents who are in Mumbai. I spoke to my in-laws. I called up sir immediately. मैंने इनका ये भेजा. पहले मैंने ना इंटरनेट से वो स्नैपशॉट निकाला मेरा पास का. वो बहुत जरूरी होता है. कभी हैंग हो जाता है. That is very important. The first thing I wrote is that snapshot. And I shared with him and I first went and thanked God for everything. And that moment I cried. It was like everything is done. अभी मैं आई एम गेटिंग चोक्ड यू नो व्हेन आई टॉक अबाउट इट. When you earn your this results, you look back at it, you feel pride and you just thank God, and then you have to be silent. Of course, silent matlab kya? Now I have to go ahead. This is not the end. This is the start of my career now. At 50, I am going to start my career. बीच में मैंने बोला नहीं आपको, 2011 में I started doing company secretary. It was, I'll tell you, February में मेरा wedding and हमारा wedding anniversary मेरा और मेरा husband. He gave me this as a wedding gift. पता है सबको क्या मिलता है, बुके मिलते हैं. ये मेरे को उन्होंने बताया, ये लो शारदा तुम्हारा कंपनी सेक्रेटरी का स्टडी किट है. तो मैंने लिया. 2014 आई बिकेम अ कंपनी सेक्रेटरी. वो तो यूज शुरू हो गया, खत्म भी हो गया, पता नहीं कैसे हो गया. ये सीए फाइनल में जाके थोड़ा अटक गई थी मैं. एंड देन यू नो दिस वाज द थिंग व्हिच आई लेफ्ट इट इन बिटवीन बिकॉज it just happened. There was no hurdles in that. And I'm a company secretary. Of course, I have taken membership only for chartered accountancy. I am a member of CA now, a proud member of CA at 50. The dream which I had at the age of 18, that is, I'll tell you, 1991. मैं अभी जाके 2023 में I fulfill my dreams. My parents are very happy and they thank God. I thank my husband. My biggest support in my life, my children, my in-laws and my parents and all my dear friends and Sanidhya Saraf sir, of course, and all other sirs who have taught me other subjects. A big credit goes to everybody and this is it.
So, बहुत कुछ सीखने मिलता है हमें. जो जर्नी इन्होंने 18 साल में शुरू की थी, जो सपना इन्होंने 18 साल में देखा था, वो सपना इनका पूरा हुआ एट द एज ऑफ 50. तो आप सोच के देख सकते हो कि 18 साल के एज में आप एक सपना देख रहे हो, वो सपना 50 साल के एज में अचीव कर रहे हो. वो 32 इयर्स का स्ट्रगल, वो 32 इयर्स का करेज, वो 32 इयर्स का डिटर्मिनेशन, मतलब इट्स ए मार्वलस जर्नी. सैल्यूट टू यू मैम. इट्स ए मार्वलस जर्नी. 32 इयर्स ऑफ स्ट्रगल जिसके अंदर इन्होंने सीए कंप्लीट किया, सीएस कंप्लीट किया, सीडब्ल्यूए कंप्लीट किया एंड सीए जर्नी अपने आप में 14 साल का जर्नी था इनका. एंड इस पूरे जर्नी में लोग टूट जाते हैं, बिखर जाते हैं, बट इन्होंने हार नहीं मानी.
नेवर गिव अप, ऑलवेज नेवर गिव अप.
इन्होंने हार नहीं मानी और इन्होंने मतलब किस्मत को भी बोल दिया था कि एक किस्मत तो चाहे मुझे कितना भी ठोकर मारेगा बट मैं हार नहीं मानूंगी एंड मैं सक्सेस पाके रहूंगी. So that this is something inspirational for all the CA students कि आप लोग क्या हार मान जाते हो यार, एक दो अटेम्प्ट फेल होकर. कुछ सीखना है तो ऐसे मोटिवेशनल कैंडिडेट से सीखो, ऐसे मोटिवेशनल CA से सीखो कि आपको पता चलेगा कि यार स्ट्रगल क्या होता है.
Never give up. That is the only mantra. Fail is a part of life. Fail का मतलब ये नहीं, मैं ज्ञान नहीं दे रही हूँ ऐसे, मैं ये बोल रही because I have undergone this. Fail का मतलब ये नहीं कि you are not worth it. This is not your time. That is it. Fail means it's not your time. Your time is yet to come. You never give up. You go ahead and do. If you cannot complete after a few years, whatever is there in your life, achieve it, complete it. But never give up on your dreams. This is it. All the best to all of you. God bless.
So all the best. तो अब बस अपने को क्या करना है, अपना सपना अचीव करना है. तो ऑल दी वेरी बेस्ट. लव यू ऑल. टेक केयर. उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आप इस जर्नी से बहुत कुछ लेकर जाओगे और आगे आपको अपने लाइफ में बहुत सारा सक्सेस मिलने वाला है.